Namaste. This is S.K. Batin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, I discuss about the concept of free energy, endogenic and exogenic reaction. Free energy. Keep every chemical reaction involve a change in free energy called del G. The calculate of del G sufficient amount of energy, low cost of entropy from the total energy change of the system. This total energy in system is called enthalpy, del G. Some formula is denoted by del G, del H minus T delta S. Del G is a denoted of Gibbs free energy. H for enthalpy, del H, T for T, and del S is entropy. So, endogenic reaction required input energy. The del G for the reaction will be positive value. Exogenic reaction release free energy. Del G for the reaction will be negative energy. The exogenic reaction, a chemical reaction which the changes the gives free energy negative, indicate the response reaction, spontaneous reaction. Endogenic reaction, the chemical reaction which stand changes in free energy is positive. The energy is absorbed. Gas-free energy is the difference between the enthalpy of a system, the product of its entropy, absolute temperature. Since chemical release energy, when the energy is storage bond breakdown, how the energy is associated with chemical reaction qualified in expression. How can energy release on the reaction be compound to be another reaction? Measurement of free energy use quantitative energy. The free energy called Gibbs energy. After the Joseph Gibbs are the scientists who are developed measurement. Recall the according to the second law of thermodynamics, all energy transferred involve the loss of some energy in the unsaturated, such as heat, unstable, the free energy of in unstable of such free energy result is entropy. Gives free energy associate, especially energy associated with chemical reaction. According to the entropy, the word is gives free energy stable with energy available to do work. Calculate the T energy. Every energy reaction involves a change in energy called delta G. This is the free energy. Calculate the system of undergo a change of such a chemical reaction. So chemical reaction release the energy storage of bond breakdown. How the energy associated the chemical reaction quantified, and the express how can the energy release from the reaction be compound to be another reaction. A measured free energy is used to quantify this energy transfer. The free energy called Gibbs free energy after this scientific development and measurement. Recall that according to the thermodynamic law, the transform or lose energy of this is a changing free energy calculate undergo the energy such as reaction, the calculated del H, amount of energy, loss of entropy. From this, total energy changes the system. Total energy change the system called entropy, denote the del G. The formula is calculated del G. This is the system of symbol of T. Refer to the absolute temperature of in Kelvin, degree in centigrade plus 273. Del G equal to del H minus 2 T del S. The strand free energy changes chemical expression, amount of energy per reaction of the product. The either kilojoule or kilocalorie, well, K denoted by kJ per mole and kCl mole. 1 kilojoule is equal to 0.23 kilocalorie. Under the strand pH, temperature, pressure, condition, standard pH, temperature, pressure, condition are the generally calculated at the pH 7 in biological system. 25 degrees centigrade and 100 kilopascal, 1 atmosphere pressure. Representatively, it is important to note the cellular condition, vary condition from this standard condition. This is the standard calculated of del G. Valued from the biological reaction will be different inside the cell. Endogenic and exogenic reaction. If the energy is released during the chemical reaction, there is result to value of available energy will be negative energy. In the other word, the reaction release energy having del G less than 0.0. So a negative del G means the product of release less than energy is the reaction because they are give some free energy during the reaction. The exogenic means the energy is energy during the reaction. Reaction having negative energy del G is considered release the free and called exogenic reaction. Exogenic mean energy is exacting and the system. This reaction have been referred to the spontaneous reaction because of occur without added of energy into the system. Understanding the chemical reaction spontaneous release free energy extremely useful of biological reaction. Those reaction is hardness to the perform the work inside the cell. An important distinction must be drawn between the term of spontaneous and the idea of chemical reaction occurred immediately. Concerned with everyday life term, the spontaneous reaction is not the sudden or quick occur. This is the rest of iron. Rest of iron is the example of rusting ion is the example for spontaneous reaction occurred. So little over the time, if chemical reaction require input of energy rather than release energy, then del G reaction will be positive value. In the case, the product available more energy having reactive, the product having reaction through the energy storage molecule of chemical reaction called endogenic reaction. This is the spontaneous and the endogenous reaction not take place without free energy. So in here you see that the energy is during the chemical reaction, the release value of the equal to negative. So reaction release of del G 0 greater less than del G, then a negative del G means the product is production less than free energy. So reaction because the give you of some free energy during this reaction, the reaction will be negative G. Consequently, release the energy. So because they are occur without added the energy into the system, though understanding the chemical reaction is spontaneous release of the free energy, extremely useful of biology because this is a reaction of hardness to the perform work inside the cell. So important is distinction must be drawn between the spontaneous and the ideal chemical reaction occurred immediately, concerned with everyday use for term. The spontaneous reaction is not one of the sudden and quick occur. This is the rusting iron example of spontaneous reaction occurred solely. Little by the little over time, if chemical reaction required input of energy rather than release of energy, then del G is reaction will be positive value. This is a case of product more energy reactivity. The product of reaction of the storage of energy. This is a chemical reaction called endogenous reaction. This is the non-spontaneous endogenous called reaction energy. Now, free energy and the biological process. In the living organism, chemical reaction concerned with movement of toward the equality, but never reach its cell. A living cell is open system, material passes out. The cell recycle the product of certain chemical reaction into the other reaction. This is the chemical equilibrium. It's neither rich. In the way, living organisms are the concerned energy requiring upper hill battle against the equivalent and entropy. When the complex molecules such as starch are building from the simple molecules such as sugar, anaerobic process require energy. Therefore, chemical reaction involved with anabolic process of endogenic reaction. On the other hand, catabolic reaction break down the sugar down into the sample molecule, release the energy series of exogenous reactions, such as the example of rust is a breakdown of sugar involved in spontaneous reaction. This is the reaction does not occur instantly. It is an important concept, the study of metabolic and energy in the chemical equilibrium. Most of the energy reaction reversible. They are can the process in both direction release energy of environment one direction, absorbing it from the environment in this direction. So we are discussing the free energy. So chemical reaction release of the energy, it is the storage of breakdown. How to energy is associated with chemical reaction is expressed how to energy release and compound of another reaction. To measurement of free energy, quantitatively energy of storage, the free energy given the free gives free energy. So in this law is thermodynamic energy, some of the energy are required. So every chemical reaction having involved in the free energy called del G. And this is the del G is calculate the system in change in system of chemical reaction. This is the chemical reaction. This is a formula calculate the GLG. So this is the symbol of T, absolute temperature of Kelvin. Okay, this is the Kelvin. How to calculate the any kind of Gibbs law or using different type of reaction like endogenous reaction with exogenous reaction. So we discussing the endogenous reaction and exogenous reaction, how to calculate or how to denote the exogenous reaction or endogenous reaction. Okay, so you see that when the here the some free energy do the thing, it is the if the groups is like maybe gas or station are given to the gas. So better be solar is written is powder and free energy hold. So free energy is a process only happen spontaneously without adding energy. It is the increase the entropy inwards as a whole. It is a limited and reversible process of the unchained. Second thermodynamic law, it is the to meet less kind of abstract of idea. How can we make this idea to more concern and use the figure the chemical reaction will be take place. Basically, we need the kind of material that capture effect the reaction of thermodynamic effect, including both reaction and that is the suddenly concern both factor or role of the conversion. Gibbs free energy system measure the amount of energy which is in the Gibbs free energy during the useful information of the reaction energetic spontaneity. And we are creating out a different Gibbs free energy. Del G is del final is a del G initial. Okay, in the other of del G is changing of free energy system is going from the sum of initial states such as reactive, some final energy, all of the products. The value of the maximum unstable energy release is can be going to initial and final state. The signature of the tail of reaction spontaneous without energy. Since Gibbs energy, we are having make some assumption the Gibbs free energy enthalpy and entropy. In the particular frequency you use Gibbs free energy, it is the equivalent to the calculate the value of the measurement of scientists enthalpy and entropy changes in the reaction. Together, temperature is the reaction take place. Del G, a del H, and a del S. Okay. Thank you so much for hearing.